Hey everyone, Rick here with the Ditch Pig. It's my weekend to work, so I'm just sitting here in the truck on break, taking in some of the sunshine. It's a beautiful day here in the Annapolis Valley. It's above zero and everything's melting. We're starting to lose our snow. So yeah, today's video, I just want to talk about a couple things. I'm going to take the truck for a little rip and burn around in the snow while it's still here. So last weekend when I posted the video up of Claremont, when we wheeled that, I did a shout out to some subscribers that were active in the channel. And the list of people that I rattled off was on the fly, so I did forget a few people that frequently comment. So I figured I'd make this opportunity to make a shout out to some of the people that I failed to mention the last time. For starters, JJ Klingman. He even mentioned it in the comments. Hey, what about me? And yeah, I did forget you, buddy. But here you go. Shout out to JJ Klingman. He's always leaving a great big paragraph comment in there, thanking me for the videos and reacting to it. I appreciate that. I also failed to mention Mr. Straight Pipe. Matthew Graham. I did say Matt in the video, but I figured I'd mention his full name. Matthew, thanks for leaving your comments. I appreciate that. And Sean. And that's his username, S-E-A-N. Sean, you have the most comments out of anybody on there. You're always on there. You're always dropping comments. And I really appreciate you guys. And I just wanted to make a shout out so that you guys were included too in that list. Because like I say, it was just on the fly. So yeah, I'm just going to take this thing for a rip around while I'm on break. Drive through some of the snowbanks and stuff like that. Something else I'll mention. Obviously, the ring and pinion is not fixed yet. So this could be the day that it decides to give up the ghost. Hopefully not, but if it happens, it happens. I did some research here the last little while, and to fix this, just to get it going again with another ring and pinion of the same ratio, it's probably going to be close to 500 bucks, unless I find a second-hand ring and pinion. And I also did the research, what would it cost to go deeper in the ratio and drop a 488 or 456 in this front and back, plus an ARB air locker, and it runs out to be about $3,000 Canadian for the parts. And that's not including labor for someone to set the gear sets up, because yes, I could go out and buy a dial indicator and buy the gear paint to mark it and get a good pattern and all that, but if I'm going to spend that kind of money, I don't think I'm going to risk it. I always do everything myself on this pretty much, but when it comes to that, I just can't afford to make a mistake and then, oh, I need a ring and pinion front and back again. So I have a transmission shop, Rick Rude's Transmission in Waterville. I'll take it to him and get him to set everything up so that it's done properly and I don't have to do any guesswork. So yeah, I still haven't decided what I want to do 100%, whether I'm just going to do the quick fix or if I'm going to go all out and spend all that money. I'll throw a poll up in the community posts whether or not to do a quick fix or go all out. You guys can drop a vote into that, maybe help me decide. So, all right, so let's flash this thing up and just go cruising. Tell you what, this snow is pretty soft where it's above freezing. almost got stuck there. Yes, sir. Whatever I'm running over is still pretty frozen right there. Well, that was pretty fun. My brake's just about burnt up, so I better go back in and get to work. But it's a good way to spend a few free minutes touring around in this thing. It's pretty soft stuff. It's starting to rot up pretty good. That sunshine's eating it. Got a little bit of snow in the housing there. Some stuffed up into the cross member around the front drive shaft. It's dripping pretty good though. Looks like it'll melt off here in the near future. So yeah, once again, thanks a lot you guys for everything that you do. The comments, the subscribes, the likes, the shares, all that stuff. So you guys stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I get out and get some wheeling in shortly. It's either that or I'll be doing some work on the truck and I'll post that up. We'll see you soon.